know which one I really truly need.
It's time for a new kind of value menu. Hello, Panera's new mix and match menu. Just $4.99 each when you choose 2 or more faves like these. The new mix and match menu at Panera. Now that's a deal that's actually a meal.
This is King George's Do's and Don'ts Hoppers Edition. Do speak the language. Rated PG.
Make it last.
Make it last forever.
Oh, yeah.
Don't let I love.
That's what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. I eat that. I eat that.
Let's make it last. Let's make it last forever and ever. Don't let I love you. Let me hear you tell me you love me. Girl, that will make me feel so right. Let me hear you tell me you
Oh, yeah.
love me. Let me hear you say you'll never leave me.
I might as well put on the movie. Sit down. 700 people. Oh, hell no. Okay. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Shout out to the gift givers, the screen cappers. Y'all did y'all thing today. I'll see y'all later, alright? Okay? Y'all have a good one. Shout out to the mods. Thank you.